Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. May 21, 2025, araw tayo ng Miyerkules, 7 karera pa rin, 5 PM start time, no bearing races pa rin ha. Race number 1 tayo, winner take all, nag-iisang 1400 meter race. Ito ay 3-year-old maiden race, mga non-placers. Pampremera ko, numero 3, River South with Jomeris Torque. Panigundo ko naman yung numero 2, Mount Citadel with Jeric Pastoral. So 3-2 ako rito, race number 1. Race number 2, pick 6, class 5, 6 to 10 is split. 1,200 meters na ang distansya mula race 2 hanggang race 7. Pampremera, numero 2, Cherubim, medyo very stoke. Panigundo ko, number 3, King Hands with JB Hernandez. 2-3 naman ako rito, race number 2. Race number 3, pick 5 naman to, class 5-5 split placers. Pampremera ko, numero 1, Bright Mind, JT Pabilik. Second choice, number 7, Malibu Bell with JB Hernandez. 1-7, race number 3. Race number 4, pick 4 naman to, class 5, 6 to 10 is split. Dito, pampremera ko, numero 5, Tokyo Rumba, Joel Shego. Panigundo ko naman, number 6, Eyes on Sunrise with Noel C. Lunar. At sasama ko na rin, numero 7, Sky Plus with CS Pare Jr. 5, 6, 7, race number 4. Race number 5 tayo, Wing DD1, class 5, 6 to 10, split ulit. Pampremera ko, 4, Don Lucas with Sadam Pilapil. Second choice ko, number 8, Suwakto, Power 2O with JB Hernandez. At sasama ko yung numero 2, Best Shot. This time, JB baka kay Hinete, baka ilaban. So, 4-8-2, race number 5. Race number 6, penultimate race, class 4, 16 to 21 split. Dito naman, itong primero ko, bagong baba, numero 8, Gold Rush with CPN Song. Panigundo ko, number 5, Dom Sat 7 with Ansi Baldonido. Nabigat nga lang ang dala, 57. Sama ko, number 2, Melania with Onil Cortez. 8-5-2, race number 6. And then finally, race number 7, class 4, 22 to 27 split. Primero ko, numero 1, Trumpeter with Isaac Ace Agila. Panigundo ko naman, 7, Winged Heart, Jackie Joel Shego. And then sama yung number 6, Flywheel with Apoy Asuncion. Pag maganda naging lingdag nito at nauna, namamahirap sa harapan to. So baka makachamba. So 176 para sa race 7. Good luck po on the racing. God bless.